Hello, my name is Chinmoy. I will be presenting a mobile solution for a personal EHR data management system called MyCare Plus. In today's healthcare system, there is an information overload of EHR data. This data entry can be very complicated and exerting on already stressed out clinicians. This can lead to very serious safety issues. As you can see here, safety related deaths due to EHR and healthcare IT have had a 4,000 times increase since 2007. A critical step in building new, safer EHR data solutions is to understand the people who will use them. This can be achieved by creating personas and user stories. This is the persona used to inform the design decisions of MyCare Plus app. It has been adapted from the EHR persona library created by experts of health information and technology. Martha is an elderly patient with rheumatoid arthritis. She has difficulty managing her appointments and medications. She wants to be better informed about her healthcare options and aspires for a more independent lifestyle. These are a few user stories related to Martha's goals and pain points that I will address in the mobile application. Let us look at the prototype demo. When you first open the MyCare Plus app, you will see the login page. The login page allows you to sign up if you are a new patient or log in if you are a recurring patient. You can go to the login button, add your email and password, and log in. This takes you to the home page. The home page is like a dashboard with all the important items that you might need. As you can see here, it starts with the appointments. It shows you how many appointments are upcoming this month and gives you an idea where and who you are going to meet. You can also schedule new appointment. You can view all the doctors in your current network and add doctors if required. Similarly, you can view your clinics and add clinics if required. You can see all your messages, the latest ones. You can see your refill updates. You can see any outstanding payments as well. If you use the hamburger menu here, you can also change profile settings. If you wanted to pay for some of your unpaid appointments, you would click the appointment tab in the navigation. Here you can see upcoming, past, paid, and unpaid appointments. We'll click on the unpaid appointments. The unpaid appointments lists all the appointments that you might have vi- uh, visited, for example, a doctor's appointment or a diagnostic appointment at a clinic. You can select the appointment that you want to pay for. Here it takes you to three-step process for payment. Uh, the first step shows you invoice of the appointment details that you had attended. It gives you a section to review your insurance information, and it shows you service details and the amount that you have to pay. The next step is to choose the way you would be paying your appointment, which can be by credit card or by direct deposit. Here we've selected credit card. You can add your billing information, your credit card number, and save your credit card. This is the last step, which basically shows you all the information that you typed in before and makes sure that you know what you're going to be paying for and how much you would be paying. As you can see here, it shows you the service details, amount you have to pay, and your credit card information. Then you can continue with the confirm payment. If you wanted to see your medical records, you would choose the Records tab in the bottom navigation. Here you have the first step, which is to choose a date. which is basically the month and the year that you want to browse. You can add a month, and then you can select a medical record category. So here we need the blood tests. As you can see here, it shows the lipid panel and the vitamin panel. It shows you when the test was taken and the if the biochemical results were in the normal range, high range, above average, or very high. Similarly, they show if they've been below average or very low. And if you wanted to see doctor's notes, you would click on the enlarge button, which will show you the items that the doctor is very concerned about, and also tell you what she thinks the next steps should be. For example, in this case, Dr. Rachel Robinson, who signs this note, has told Martha that atorvastatin would be increased from 10 mg to 40 mg. You can also return and see other results. If a user wanted to send messages, they would select the message button in the button navigation. Here they can see inbox, sent, drafts, and saved. As you can see, we are now in the inbox. By clicking here, a user can enter the compose section. They can select a doctor by starting to type the doctor's name and then fill in the subject information and the message that they want to send. They can also add attachments, as you can see, and they can upload a file, take a photograph, or record. Let's say they chose upload file. As you can see, the file got uploaded, and you can see that this changed to show you the number of attachments that are included in the email. They can also use the send button to send this message. A user can select a new appointment by going to the schedule new appointment in the home page or using the appointment button in the button navigation. When the user reaches the appointments page, they will see upcoming appointments, past, paid, and unpaid appointments. Upcoming appointments shows you the appointments that you have scheduled, and you can schedule new appointment. If you needed to reschedule an appointment, you can click on these cards or the button right here. So let's schedule new appointment. Here you can see that the first step is to select a doctor or a clinic. We have gone with the select doctor option. We can search for a doctor and select the doctor. On this second step, you can choose appointment type, month, and available appointments. So as you can see here, the appointment type is a follow-up and it's a telehealth appointment. And it also shows you approximate times that the telehealth appointments should take. You can then select a month. This leads you to all the available appointments. As you can see here, it says 9 slots available for November. You can also see how many slots available for each day of November. And let's say if we clicked this, then it'll take you to the slots available on 5th of November. Then you can select a time and you can continue. This is the last step where all the necessary details are shown to the user, appointment details, and insurance information. Then you can confirm booking. If you wanted to apply for a medication refill, you would choose the medications tab, and which will take you to the medications homepage. As you can see, it shows you the medications that you have to take. You can log in medications, and it also shows you refill updates. You can click on order refills and choose the authorizing doctor for the specific medication you want. Once that's selected, you go to the next step, which is to select the medications and pharmacy. You can then select the service option if you want to pick it up or if you want it delivered. This is the last step where you get to review your insurance information, your reimbursement costs, your credit card, and billing information. And then you can submit a refill request. So the refill request goes to the doctor for authorization. Once it is authorized, it would be processed and billed. You would see the authorization from your doctor in the inbox. And this information here tells you the next steps for processing your medication. The next steps would be to test this prototype on users, make UI changes based on user testing, and add designs for additional functionalities. The testing would be an important next step so that we can understand the validity of this proposed EHR mobile app. Thank you.